Laptop won't turn on and you're stuck staring at a black screen? Don't panic. There are a couple quick things that often bring it back to life, and the second fix is the one most people skip. I'm using an HP laptop here, but these steps work on pretty much any laptop. And don't worry, none of these steps delete your files. All right, quick check first. Plug the laptop into the charger and leave it for about 10 minutes. Sometimes the battery is completely drained and just needs a little time before the laptop wakes up again. Also, try a different wall outlet in case the first one isn't working. Look for any small charging lights on the laptop. Many models show a light when power is connected. After a few minutes, press the power button and see if it turns on. If your screen lights up, nice! That's exactly what we wanted. If nothing happens, okay, here's the next thing. Find the power button on your laptop. On many laptops, it's on the keyboard, but sometimes it's along the top edge. Press and hold that power button for about 15 seconds. This forces a quick power reset that fixes a lot of dead laptop situations. After 15 seconds, release the button. Now press the power button again normally to try starting the laptop. You should hopefully see the laptop logo appear. Sometimes a message pops up asking you to press a key to continue. If you see that, just press the key shown, usually Enter. Then the laptop should restart and begin loading Windows. If the laptop is still completely dead, this last reset is the one that usually does the trick. Close the laptop lid and flip it over. Check the back to see if the battery can be removed. Some laptops have removable batteries, while others keep the battery built inside. If yours comes out, remove the battery and unplug the charger so the laptop has no power connected. Now press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds. This drains any leftover electricity inside the laptop and performs a deeper reset. Once the time is up, release the button. If you removed the battery, put it back in, flip the laptop over, open the lid, and press the power button again for a couple seconds. After a deeper reset like this, startup may take slightly longer. If a message appears asking you to press a key to restart, press the key shown. Then the laptop should begin booting into Windows. And if your screen just came back to life, nice! That's exactly what we were hoping for. You should now be able to use your laptop again. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.